Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Today we are diving into an incredibly insightful book which is titled as Halal Investing for Beginners: How to Start, Grow and Scale Your Halal Investment Portfolio. Now, you are a practicing Muslim looking to grow your savings in line with your faith and Islamic law. You're going to find this book immensely valuable and helpful. This book was written by Ibrahim Khan and Mohsin Patel, the two co-founders of Islamic Finance Guru, a famous website, as many of you may know about. Both these gentlemen, they are Oxford graduated, and this book serves as a comprehensive guide leading you straight into the heart of halal investing. The authors help you understand the difference between halal and haram investments, which are permitted and prohibited by Islamic law respectively. But they don't stop there. They introduce a wide variety of investment products that align with Sharia law. And of course, we're talking about halal equities, gold, art, startups, and even real estate. What's so unique and special about this book is how it provides advice for every stage of life. Are you dipping your toes into halal investing for the first time? They've got you covered. Wondering how to write an Islamic will or build a halal pension? They offer guidance on these topics as well. They even guide you on portfolio construction based on your risk tolerance, be it high growth or low risk. And they help you navigate the often confusing terrain between ethical ESG investment products and halal investments. The book has been praised by many leading practitioners of the Islamic banking industry. And according to these experts of the Islamic banking industry, this book is user friendly, which makes it an essential resource for every Muslim household. Prominent Islamic scholars like Dr. Yasir Qadri and Dr. Hisham Al-Haddad have also praised the book, calling it an amazing resource and a practical handbook respectively. So brothers and sisters, there you have it. If you're looking to start, grow and scale your halal investment portfolio, Halal Investing for Beginners is a book you don't want to miss at any cost. It provides an intuitive roadmap for Muslim investors and of course would-be investors of tomorrow as well, helping you navigate the investment world while staying true to your faith. I hope you have liked the book summary, and if you are interested in purchasing the book, please click on the link below and you will be taken to the Amazon website, and from there you can purchase it at any time you want to. So inshallah, until next time, happy reading and happy halal investing. Talk to you later. Thank you and salam alaikum.